Well, hello, friends. I thought I'd stop in this evening to talk a little bit about a major concern that I've had since I've been receiving tons of phone calls and texts and emails from family, friends, co-workers, clients concerning the election tomorrow. And there is an actual, after sitting back and thinking about all of the messages I have received, I thought of the actual disorder, which is called election stress disorder, which can cause a variety of issues. And since 2016, the election of 2024, has caused and increased the stress levels of about 73% of Americans. This percentage was determined by recent research done by the American Psychiatric Association. And of course, these stress levels are not only found in Americans. It's been heavily researched also that people abroad are also feeling this stress. So as Christians, what do we do? Do we continue along this path, feeling anxious, feeling angry, feeling sad, feeling depressed? Or do we rely on God's words to feed our souls? Stress is often circumstantial, while anxiety will linger and linger and linger until we decide to make a change. And with both stress and anxiety, we can somewhat become irrational in our thoughts, in our behaviors, in what we do, what we eat, and many other factors as well. And to remove some of this angst that we all feel, it's so important that we disengage from the media, from the newspaper, from our computers, showing information about voting and election and polls and all sorts of things that are related to what's happening tomorrow. Spend time with friends, with family, read a good book, spend time with your animals, bake a cake, bake cookies, decorate, buy some fresh flowers if you can, if this is something that you like. Just remove your mind from all that's going on, even if it's just for an hour a day. But most importantly, we must get in God's words. Find the healing, find the joy, find the harmony, find His kindness, find His gentleness, find all that He is to keep you grounded and to remain grounded as we process what's coming in the next few days. 1 Peter 5:6-7 tells us this. Therefore, humble yourselves under the mighty hand of God, that He may exalt you at the proper time, casting all your anxiety on Him, because He cares for you. Here we see Peter urges his audience to be humble while they wait for God. And God will honor their faithfulness in His timing. And we see because the disciples weighed heavily on God's words in the Old Testament, Peter draws from Psalm 55:22 here, which provided comfort to believers in the face of persecution and suffering. Remember, friends, God not only will deliver us from whatever we are currently feeling. He will not only do that now as we pray to him, but also he will do that for us when any anxiety comes, when any fear comes, when any angst comes. He will do that for us in the future as well. As believers, we continue to pray. We pray for our nation. We pray for our families, our friends, our co-workers, our acquaintances, and even our enemies. We must allow God to control who we are and what we do, what we say, as we move into the next week, the next few months, and into our future. So with that said, I'd like to just say I'll be praying for you as you pray for me. Have a wonderful evening. I must get back to my weekly video now, my baking and project video. But as I said, I just wanted to stop by and say hello. And I will see you soon, okay? Bye for now.